Hi 9th Delhi Short International Film Festival 2020. Our short film Satellite got selected in your esteemed film festival. I, on the behalf of Blacklisted Production and all the cast members, wants to thank you for providing us such big platform to showcasing our talent. So I am a big fan of science fictional short films. So one day I was just reading an article on black hole. Right after that I was watching a YouTube video on time dilation theory. So I just came up with an idea, maybe we can merge these both things together and create a professional multi-dimensional time travel short film. So what drives us to create this content was our first short film was Pattern, which was a science fictional short film. So we got a great response from the audience as well as from the film festival. So we had this thing in our mind that we will create a good science fictional short film so that people who wants to watch this type of movie will be able to have that kind of content. So there were a couple of problems that we faced when starting this movie. So the first problem was the concept. So because this is a quite typical science fictional content, so we had to read a lot to create a kind of content which should look real. The second problem that we faced was the movie should look good in terms of visual. The graphic that we show should look real, not fake. So that was the second problem. The third problem was when it comes to the situation, there was corona which was going on, and right now also corona is going on. So we had to keep these things in our mind that government advisory is there, so we need to follow that. So these were a couple of problems that we faced when we started this short film. When we started to shoot this short film, corona was going on, so we had to keep government advisory in our mind. So we kept very less people on the set. The cast people were two, which was there in the movie, and there were only 3 crew members who were present on the set while shooting. Other than that, when it comes to the financial problem, everybody is working somewhere, and they are having certain budget to spend on the short film. This is our passion. We are following our passion by creating this short film. So the challenges we faced was, the first challenge was we were having very less budget, and whatever needs to be shot should be good enough to go ahead in the first go, because we were not having budget to do the reshoot thing. So that was something which was a difficult part to do. Other than that, when it comes to the editing part, we were supposed to put a VFX with the real video, and we had to do it in a way so that it should look real. So that was also a difficult part to show such kind of VFX in a video in the post production. So yeah, these are the 2 problems that we faced. So the concept was same from the start to the end to the final product which came out. Yeah, visually we did a couple of improvisation on the shoot and also on the edit table, because there was some need and the picture should look good. So because of that we had to do a couple of changes visually. But yeah, concept wise it remained constant from the start till the end. There are lots of people in our country who really like to watch science fictional content. Because of that they had to follow Hollywood, because in our country we are not having that much science fictional content. So our movie is completely based on a proper science fictional concept, and that is the USP of our film, because people who want to watch a proper science fictional content can watch our movie. We are having some limited budget for our digital marketing. When it comes to distribution, we are not having any specific plan for distribution, but we are completely open for a good OTT platform who wants to showcase our movie on their platform. So no as such distribution plan, but yeah, we are going ahead with the digital marketing. People in our country are following Hollywood a lot because they want to watch science fictional content, but that is available there only. And we are creating a proper science fictional content, so if they like to watch science fictional, they can watch our movie because they'll be very entertained after watching our movie. The message which I want to give the upcoming filmmakers are they are the future of our industry, and they should explore more and more genre, and they should bring different genre to our country, so that people who wants to watch that genre, they are following Hollywood, they should follow Indian content and support Indian filmmakers. So I just want to be thankful to 9th Delhi Short International Film Festival for providing all the filmmakers such great opportunity to showcase their talent, to find out their level, and this film festival boosts confidence for a lots of filmmaker who feels that they can do something, and when it comes to the competition, when they get selected in such big platforms, they feel really boosted, and the confidence of the filmmaker gets really high. So I'm really thankful to 9 Delhi Short International Film Festival, and I just want to wish all the best for the finals.